Our hotel was about $23 for 4 of us, breakfast included.
Hello guys, we just wanted to talk about hotels.com, our website, where we booked a hotel in Antalya, Turkey. Antalya.
Hotels.com. I knew there was going to be issues as soon as I found out that that's which company she used, because I had a major issue with them several years ago on a hotel I booked in the Bahamas.
But you never said anything to me, so we actually, when we came to Antalya, to that hotel where I booked it, I paid for it like a month ago, and it said that your reservation, 100% guaranteed. I just go there. So we went there. Of course, they couldn't find anything. They couldn't find our reservations, so they said, we don't have any rooms for you, or we have one room, but you have to pay for that.
So she paid $35 and some odd cents for the room, and there was no reservation there.
Yes, and then we just had to pay, but it was $25, which is even better.
More like 23.
No, I think it was 25 something. Same room as I booked for $35. Then I tried to call hotels.com, but no luck. So we actually chatted with them, and they said they're gonna call the hotel and request a refund for me. But of course they couldn't, call, or they tried to call, but in that hotel no one speaks English at all. It's like, good luck. They don't speak English, they speak Turkish.
So it was just easier to dispute it with the credit card company.
That's what we did.